Y'all, we about to lift some weights. Nah, I don't got my iPad.
Yeah, tell Tyreek to come here.
Right, go get Tyreek gonna be our cameraman. I'm waiting for 90 seconds.
It's recording.
Quit your mess up already. She gonna fall. Quit your mess up already.
Breathe, bro.
Nigga, she got it.
She don't got it, bro. Breathe, bro. Nah, get the fuck up. Let's get over here. Let me break this. Oh, we just got a movie.
Ain't I still putting on.
I know a lot of things, but I don't know about that. I'm not sure why.
Back. She can't even do 5.
My arm is sore.
Yikes. Something like that.
Now I'm gonna get something like what I did that.
No, like one of them 75.
Nah, bro, you can't even lift that. Okay. Wow.
Record him to
Do that again.
Do that again.
3.
Act like a strong muscle man.
4. Good workout.
Yeah.
Oh, me too.
Oh my god. Try to curl it.
Bro. I need something to drink. That drain me.
Oh. Hi, look at Nuggy Wuggy. Nuggy Cam. Hi, you miss me? Did you miss me, Mama? Come here. Nugget, hi. Nugget, I missed it all.
You for real? You for real?
Nuggy Wuggy.
Okay, I'm about to go tell my mama.
Okay, so I just fed Nugget. Now I gotta clean up because my friends are coming over and her cage looks horrendous. I'm back in my room and Nugget is on my... Oh, she got down. But she was on my bed. I done told her about that. She knows she can't go on my bed because I done seen so many TikToks where bunnies pee on their owners' beds and poop. Baby, not round here. Not round here, partner. Not round here. She don't know what she want to do, bro. My friends aren't here yet, but I do want to do a little unboxing. Show y'all the wig. Well, we're both gonna see the wig for the first time. And I don't feel like waiting on them. And I'm ready to get my hair did now. Well, I'm ready to do my hair now. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. Oh, hi. Hi. Bye. This is the hair glue, the wig band, all that good stuff. But we're not focused on that. We're focused on how the wig itself looks. So 100% human hair. Let's see it. We finna melt that lace. This is what it's looking like. We gonna see how it looks when I put it on, but so far this is the wig. And we finna install her, so this is finna be on my head. Hold on. This gonna be the thumbnail. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, my friends need to hurry up and come because I need them to help me take down my hair. Oh, and that ponytail is so tight, but ponytails give you a natural facelift. Now it is time to take my hair down and binge watch my new favorite TV show. Y'all, there's this, oh my god, I keep stuttering. This show on Netflix that I've been binging lately. It's called Lost in Space, and it is so good. Like, well, I thought she was over here, but that's just me moving the cage. But yeah, it's a show on Netflix called Lost in Space. It is so good. I mean, basically, like, they're lost in space. They go through these challenges, but they overcome them. And yeah, it's a really good show. Y'all should watch it. It's on Netflix, Lost in Space. Go check it out. But I'm finna binge the show while I wait for my friends and take my hair down. But they need to hurry up because these are a lot of braids. But I take down my hair fast, so I'm not really too worried about that. But I still gotta wash my hair. I gotta braid it down. I gotta do all that. Oh, this is what happens when you're your own hairstylist. You have to do things yourself. And I'm getting tired of it. Like, can someone just take my hair down for me, wash it for me, blow dry it for me, all that? Okay, y'all, Maya finna get on this side. So I got three.
Yeah, she is. Damn, I'm so mad.
Go ahead and
Because they're not
clip
even
some.
my AirPods, bro. They're my brother's. But I hope you got a good subscription. I mean, a subscription, whatever it's called.
Oh, insurance?
Insurance, yes.
Bro, she said subscription. Bro.
Girl, yes, I
Talking
walked
about
through the door.
y'all want to come over?
Yes, because I need your help.
Y'all are coming over.
I'm thinking
No,
she
they're-
asking for some good deeds.
Right.
Oh, she want us to spend some time with her.
Right. Just gonna hang out. No, she want us to take out this hair.
Bow.
You know what? We have free will, Maya.
Right, y'all got free will. It's not like I just...
No, I don't.
It's-
Because when I try to stay home, y'all be yelling at me.
No, it's not like I had like a gun to your head and was like, come to my house now. I'm shooting in the head.
I couldn't even take a 30-minute nap.
Yeah, nah, that's it. Nah, because if she took that nap, she was not going to
She
come.
would have woke up and be like, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I can't come, bro. Oh my God, bro. I'm looking at my hair, how I look with no hair, bro. I look a mess. So now it's time to put the wig on, put the wig cap, make that glue dry, do all that, y'all. Do all that. Friends over there. Hold on, I got it blocked off because of Nugget, but... And then my friend's over there. Almost done. Bro, how did she get on the bed again? Bro. Listen, man. I done told you about this. How did she get up there?
Bro, I'm literally laying
She's
on it.
She's scooting from right here? I guess so.
Nugget, get out of here.
I'm finna get her down. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. It's okay. Still looking pretty bald. Hi. Okay. First, I'm gonna spray my edges because I don't want my edges to come out and I need to slick them back because I don't want them to come out. I still need my edges. So I'm gonna go in with some Eben lace melt spray and I'm just gonna put that in there and just slick that hair back. I need a... Dang, my edge brush is out there. I don't feel like going out there right now. So we're just gonna use my hands in the comb and slick it. I'm debating on if I should shave my what is it called? Naya, what is this called? Right here.
Sideburns?
My sideburns. I'm debating on if I should shave my sideburns so that I'll just be poking out the wig. But okay, so ugh. Ew. I did order this wig cap off of Amazon because I didn't want to go to the store and have to get a whole wig cap and glue and all that. So I just went ahead and just ordered it. Don't I gotta like put it all the way down here and then cut out eye holes? Okay, we're not gonna cover the eye holes. Cause Jesus.
Oh, she cheated.
Oh, she cheated? Alright, so now I'm gonna spray the spray. Oh my God, that is so freeing.
We're from Chicago.
I'm not gonna cut all the way to my hairline right now, cause I'm gonna use I'm gonna use like the little eyebrow face shaver to do that. So right now, we're just gonna cut up to right here for right now. Get this. And then I gotta tie this up in the back, and then just tuck it. And now I'm gonna use this to come up a little closer. Now it's time to blend the wig cap with my skin. So I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. Use my contouring brush. I mean, this is not a contouring brush. My foundation brush. We're going with the foundation brush, and I'm going to use the darkest shade, or maybe I should do this shade, a little shade lighter, cause like it's a hairline. hairlines are darker than actual skin. And you're just gonna, you see how that just kind of disappeared? We're just gonna try to get, like, push it back. And now we're looking bald.
Damn, I got a big ass head.
I'm gonna just put this on and see if it fits. Hold on. Let's see, like, for real if it fits. Like. So yeah, this is as far as the wig goes. So, I hope this should be good. This right here should be good. Like, look at my wrist. I cannot find my comb. I'm gonna crash. Okay, alright. Yeah, let's just comb that back. Okay. We're getting off track. I think Maya just came back.
Oh.
Yeah, she was down in her chips.
No.
Yeah, she was down in her chips.
Oh, you gonna put me on that vlog looking crazy? Audacity.
I'm sorry, Queen.
Girl fell asleep like 2 times.
You fell asleep
2 times.
over here?
Yeah.
Wow.
I had to catch myself. I took some Benadryl, girl. So
Oh.
I left. I forgot I took how you balance it.
Okay, so we're gonna put that glue on. We're gonna try this glue. We're gonna see if this glue is gluing or if it's not gluing. If it's not gluing, then we don't know what to do with the glue. Bars. Gonna dot the glue on, like so. Okay, now we're gonna spread the glue. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure that the glue is evenly and that, like, no part has more than any other part. Like, everywhere is just the same and even. All the glue is evenly spread throughout the hair. Now what he can't say, we gotta let that glue dry clear.
Joy to the world, the glue is dry, and then the wig can eat.
Are you an appointed or an elected official?
Yeah. And so while I'm letting that glue dry clear, oh my god, bro, why did I say it like that? While I'm letting that glue dry clear, I'm gonna put some makeup, like, on the lace part so I can blend with my hair. It's not too light, you know? Okay, y'all, so I put a second layer of glue on just so that that wig can be on there tightly. Now we're just waiting for that glue to dry clear. Every time I do a wig, it's Ekane. It's literally Ekane's tutorial when she let the glue dry clear. I don't do bend for an hour, though. That's kind of excessive.
I'm trying to have that wig on.
Oh, bro. I'm really finna go ahead and, like, I have no patience. I'm finna, just, like, some white spots, but, I mean, I don't want to do that and make it tacky. Okay, we're just gonna put the wig on now. All that hair back and bring that lace forward. I'm gonna run out of storage again, y'all. Like, it's the inevitable, but I'm gonna put the wig band on, band for an hour, do it till it's hot. I'm not doing it for an hour, but I'll do it for a while. Bow, 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 bow. Hold on, is it stiff, y'all?
No.
Is it stiff? Is it stiff?
Hold on, don't swing too hard.
Don't swing too hard. Yo. I keep running out of storage, so I might not get that much clips in, but we're trying to salvage this wig, make it look better, get a part, because that part is no part. There is no part. We're trying to get a part, but I can't get a part because I don't have a part, but I'm trying to get a part. Trying to make a part in this motherfucker.
Everybody grab a box.
We've managed to get a part. Now it's time to slick this wig down. So I'm going to go in with this wax stick and we're going to slick this wig down. All these flyaways is a no way. I'm going to go with this hot comb. Sit there, hold down. I just burnt my finger because the back is getting humpy, and we need to get flat. Before I run out of okay, so I just curled one side of the wig, bro. Okay, y'all, so I'm on a totally different phone right now because, like, I literally just paid for storage and it keeps running out. But anyway, so I just curled this side of the wig. Look at that. So now I'm going to spray some of the lace melt spray, and then I'm going to melt it again. We're going to melt that lace again, and we're going to curl the next side. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go in with that same even lace melt spray, and we're gonna spray that lace. First I'm gonna cut the lace, actually. First I'm gonna cut the lace to where I want it, then I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna pull the edges out and spray it. Bro, lace where? This is my hair. Bow, 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 bow. Why am I messing with that? I just curled that. Oh, y'all hear Naya blowing her nose? She literally was just asleep. Wow. Should I do no edges? Should I do no edges?
No, I feel like you'll
Edges?
make you do with edges, yeah.
Okay.
Get beside yourself.
I'm getting beside my Naya, shut up.
She woke up hating, bro.
My dang. Stay hating. She wake up hating. You don't ever get tired of just hating? Let's focus on what matters. What matters is this lace.
You know what I read? Okay?
Then we're just gonna cut off this little ear tab right here.
To be one of the smart ones. Remember that.
Okay. Alright, y'all. Now we're gonna go in with the spray and melt that lace. And then we grab that wig band. We're gonna go in for the second melt. The second melt. Huh? The curls on this side are looking way better than the curls over here did, but they dropped. But these on this side are looking way better. I'm still gonna have to go over some parts of this side. I want a more wavy look instead of a like deep curl like this, so like it's gonna get combed out, which is why I'm not like so worried about this side, but it is curling better over here. So y'all, it is the next day. I just literally woke up, but this is how the wig turned out. Look at that. Lace where? Lace found nowhere. Where is that lace? Like, this is my hair now. But yeah, so this is how the wig turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video that I made showing y'all how I do my wigs. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.